What citizens think should be top priority at council level. 47% think regular supply of clean water. This is beyond Harare. This is across the country. So we are facing a challenge around supply of water across the country. Clean water. You can read it in the report, it's there. Then perception of central government performance. 65% low. We have not seen a huge difference since the transition into the new government. 17% remained, it's indifferent. Then 16% medium. Only 2% were highly satisfied with the performance of the central government. What citizens expect central government to prioritize: creation of jobs, stabilizing prices, dealing with cash crisis. This is the fascinating thing about citizens and how they talk. When we are here, we use some expert jargon, but here they're talking about real issues. We need toda mabasa, creation of jobs, stable prices, as already mentioned, that we've been in since, I think September, October, we've been in a hyperinflation. So when citizens are saying this is a lived realities. We need stable prices, dealing with the cash crisis. Yes, we may have moved to mobile money, but I think that revolution has not really occurred. People still want to touch cash because there's challenges to do with just electronic money, mobile money platforms, etc. So people still feel that those are issues, resuscitating industry, etc. So these are citizen issues. I want to quickly move to say how does government align with this? And of the factors that are constraining government effectiveness, what are these factors? Again, corruption looms large in terms of the perceptions of the citizens. It tells you that the system is broken. There's not sufficient confidence or trust between citizens, those who vote people into office, and the office holders, because they think that the challenges that you have to do with corruption, and we begin to break down what corruption means to citizens. It is about privatizing wealth, making sure that the elected officials are the ones who are benefiting, etc., etc. So the system is broken, and there is need for us to rethink, to say, how then do you make sure that citizens have confidence in their government? Then the first year of the Second Republic, now we're going